Hello students, I am Pratima. Welcome you all to this video. We know that there are many properties related to definite integral and whole exercise 7.11 is based on this. But I want to share that one property which is very important that can help you to solve maximum number of questions, and definite integral is very easy. Everybody can understand it and everybody can attempt the question related to this property. So let us begin. The property is property 4. The integration of 0 to a f of x dx is same as 0 to a f of a minus x dx. And I thank all my subscribers of this channel and help it to grow day by day. Thank you, subscribers. First question. By using properties of the definite integral, evaluate the integrals. Here you have to apply the property. I am writing the question number 1. So I am writing the property here. The integration of 0 to a f of x dx is equal to 0 to a f of a minus x dx. So I'll apply. What is a here? A is pi by 2. So I'll write this is 0 to pi by 2. I'll write cos square pi by 2 minus x. Now here, one very simple thing you have to remember, that cos pi by 2 minus x is equal to sin x, and sin pi by 2 minus x is equal to cos x. In this question it is not required, but you have to recall. Now how much it will be? It will be pi by 2, then it will be sin x whole square. So sin square x. So I started from this and I got this. That means both the things I'll name as integral. So one integral I am writing 0 to pi by 2 cos square x. Same integral I am finding it is 0 to pi by 2 sin square x. I'll add them. So when I'll add, I'll get twice I is equal to how much? It will be 0 to pi by 2 cos square x plus sin square x. How much it is? It is 1. Sin square x plus cos square x is 1. So 0 to pi by 2, 1 dx. So what is the integration of dx? It is the x. You know it. So dy is the x. And what is the limit? Limit is 0 to pi by 2. So 2y is I is equal to pi by 2 minus 0, or what is integral? Integral is equal to pi by 2. So 0 to pi by 2 cos square x dx is equal to pi by 2 into 2, that will be pi by 4. Next is question number 2. Question number 2 is, I'll apply same property. So 0 to a f x dx is equal to 0 to a f a minus x dx. And you will write that applying the property. Applying the property, and you will mention the property also. So 0 to pi by 2 under root sin x by under root sin x plus under root cos x dx is equal to 0 to pi by 2 under root sin pi by 2 minus x under root sin pi by 2 minus x plus under root cos pi by 2 minus x. So how much I'm getting? I'm getting this is 0 to pi by 2. This will be under root cos x. And here it will be under root cos x plus under root sin x dx. So this was I integral started. I got again this integral. Now add them. Adding these two expression, I'll get twice I is equal to 0 to pi by 2. You see both have the same denominator, only the order is different. So here it will be, you will add the two numerator. Here is under root sin x, here is under root cos x. So this will be cos x. Now you will find an interesting thing. What's it? Both the numerator and denominator are equal. Both the numerator and denominator are same. So I'll cancel them. So how much I'll get? I'll get 0 to pi by 2 dx. What is integration of dx? X. What is the limit? 0 to pi by 2. So are you getting the same result? Pi by 2 minus 0. So twice I is equal to pi by 2. And what is I? I is equal to pi by 4. So what is the answer of this question? Let us write the answer. Pi by 2 under root sin x upon under root sin x plus cos x is equal to pi by 4. Now if you have understood, you can write the next question, answer yourself. So you will write the question, this is equal to, you will write 0 to pi by 2. Don't see the screen, you write yourself and just compare whether you have done it. I hope everybody can be able to do it. It is so easy. It is easy like water. Dx, applying property. Don't forget to write applying property. What is the property? Mention the property. 0 to a f of x dx is equal to 0 to a f of a minus x dx. So you will get what? You will get 0 to pi by 2. This will be sine. Don't directly write your cos. Write this expression. Otherwise, you will lose the marks in board. It will be sine 3 by 2 pi by 2 minus x plus cos 3 by 2 pi by 2 minus x. Then this will be 0 to pi by 2 cos 3 by 2 x cos 3 to the power 3 by 2 x plus sine to the power 3 by 2 x. So now you'll write, this was I, here it is I. So adding them, I'll get, or twice I is equal to, same numerator, adding them because denominator is same for both, only order is different. That means what we are getting, it can be applied for any power of sine and cos. It is 3 by 2. Last time we saw that it was root 2. It may be your to the power 5, to the power 6, whatever you will get the same expression and you will get the same result. So this will be x from 0 to pi by 2. It will be pi by 2 minus 0. So twice I is equal to pi by 2, or I is equal to pi by 4. Now I hope you can do these questions. Yes, applying property you will get this is equal to 0 to pi by 2 Here sine to the power 5x. Here it will be cos to the power 5x plus sine to the power 5x. Now add them. Twice I is equal to 0 to pi by 2 sine to the power 5x plus cos to the power 5x. Here it will be cos to the power 5x plus sine to the power 5x. So this is 1, 0 to pi by 2, 1 dx. So twice I is equal to x from 0 to pi by 2. Or twice I is equal to pi by 2 or I is equal to pi by 4. Next question. Next question. Question number 7. Here limit is 0 to 1 x and 1 minus x to the power n. See that if you don't apply the property, you cannot integrate this function. That's why we are applying the property. Sometimes the application of property makes us easy to integrate. So how will make the property? The property will apply that 0 to 1, this function is equal to 0 to 1, and in place of x I'll put 1 minus x dx. That means in place of x I'll put 1 minus x, and what about 1 minus x? So it will become x only. 1 minus x, this will be x. So whenever I'll put x as 1 minus x is automatically will turn into x. So I'll write I is equal to 0 to 1 x into 1 minus x to the power n dx. Applying the property, it will be how much? It will be 1 minus x, and this will be x to the power n. Now you can realize that integration is easy now. How? I'll multiply. One term will be x to the power n, other will be x to the power n plus 1 after the multiplication, and each is easy for integrating. So first one will be x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1, and second one will be x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 2 by n plus 2, and each has the limit 0 to 1. I can use separately. So when I'll put 0, it will become 0. Only 1 will remain. So 1 any power is 1. If I'll put 1 here, 1 any power is 1. So 1 by n plus 1. And again, if I'll put 1 here in place of x, it will be 1. 1 by n plus 2. So the calculation part is very easy. N plus 1 into n plus 2 is your LCM. And here n plus 2 minus n minus 1. How much am I getting? I am getting 1 by n plus 1 into n plus 2. Question number 8. Question number 8, you can see that a is your pi by 4 here. So I'll write I is equal to 0 to pi by 4 log 1 plus 10x dx is equal to 0 to pi by 4 log 1 plus tan pi by 4 minus x. In place of x, I put pi by 4 minus x. And I'll mention the property here. Applying 0 to a fx dx is equal to 0 to a f of a minus x dx. So now I'll expand this. So here I'm writing the formula 10 tan pi by 4 minus x is equal to 1 minus tan x by 1 plus tan x. So this will be how much? 0 to pi by 4 log 1 plus 1 minus tan x by 1 plus tan x. Of course, we'll simplify now. So this will be how much? 0 to pi by 4 log 1 plus tan x plus 1 minus tan x. One minus tan x upon 1 plus tan x. Now see, tan x cancel and dx will be there. So in the next step, it will be how much? 0 to pi by 4 log 2 by 1 plus tan x dx. So you know the properties of the log. So I can break into 2, 0 to pi by 4. I can split this as 2. One is log 2 dx. Other is 0 to pi by 4 log 1 plus tan x dx. Now just check where from we started. We started from this function only. This is your integral. Can you see now? Can you check? Can you check? This was I. See, this was I. And I am getting I again on the right side with a negative sign. So I'll take 2, shift to left side. So this will be twice 0 to pi by 4 log 1 plus tan x dx is equal to, on the right side, it will be 0 to pi by 2 log 2 dx. And log 2 is your constant. So I can take outside, then only integration of dx. What is it? X. And what is the limit? 0 to pi by 4. So what I am getting? I am getting twice I is equal to log 2 into pi by 4. Or I'll write in this order, pi by 4 log 2. So what is integral? Required integral is pi by 8 log 2. So this is answer. Next is question number 9. Can you observe that so many questions of this exercise we are doing with this property only. Now here, what is A? A is 2 here. So I is equal to 0 to 2 x under root 2 minus x. You can observe that unless you apply the property, you can't integrate this function. That's why we are applying the properties. This is equal to 0 to 2. What I'll put x? X will put 2 minus x because A is 2 here. So 2 minus x. So automatically what will be 2 minus x? 2 minus x will be 2 minus 2 minus x. That will be x. So I'll write x under root t. So of course I'll write applying the property. Applying 0 to a f x dx is equal to 0 to a f a minus x dx. So next it is easy now. 0 to 2, I'll multiply 2 root x, then I'll multiply x root x. And 2 root x means your, I can write 2 here, root x integration minus twice minus integration, it is now twice. It is your x root x. If you multiply, this gives you x to the power 3 by 2. So x to the power 3 by 2 dx. So root x integration is x to the power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2, or I'll write 2 by 3. Instead of writing 3 by 2 in the denominator, I'll write 2 by 3, 0 to 2, minus this will be 2 to the power 3 by 2 will be 5 by 2, 2 by 3, 3 by 2 plus 1 by 3 by 2 plus 1. So it will be 2 by 5, x to the power 5 by 2 to the limit is 0 to 2. Now you have to find the values. 2 by 3, first we'll put x is equal to 2. So 2 to the power 3 by 2. Minus 0 I am not writing. 2 to the power 5. Here I'll take 2 to the power 5 by 2. Now 2 to the power 3 by 2 into 1. So it will be how much? You can find out, or you can write this 2 to the power 3 is 8. 8 square root 8. So this will be 2 root 2. 2 into 2 root 2 by 3 minus this will be 2 to the power 5, means 4 root 2. 2 into 4 root 2 by 5. Simplify a little bit. Whatever you will get the answer, this will be 4 root 2 by 3 minus 8 root 2 by 5. So this will be 20 root 2 minus 24 root 2. You will get the answer. Question number 12. So we'll apply the property. Applying property. Zero to a f of x dx is equal to 0 to a f of a minus x dx. So this will be 0 to pi minus x by 1 plus sine pi minus x. Sine pi minus x is same as sine x. So this will be 0 to pi minus x by 1 plus sine x. So immediately we'll add these two. This is I1, this is also I1. Now can you think why we are using this property? Otherwise you cannot integrate this function, because this is a combination of trigonometric function as well as the algebraic function. X is there and the derivative of sine x is not there. So add these two i's I, it will be 0 to pi 1 plus sine x. Here it will be how much? X plus pi minus x. X cancel. So you are getting pi, I can take outside, but it is no business with the integration. 1 plus sine x. Now how to integrate? Either you convert this to into a function or just rationalize. 1 minus sine x into 1 minus sine x. So it will be twice I is equal to pi 0 to pi 1 minus sine x upon 1 minus sine square x. 1 minus sine square x is equal to cos square x. So I'll write cos square x here. After getting this, next we'll convert this into 2. Pi 0 to pi, 1 is 1 by cos square x and minus sine x by cos square x. So first one will become your pi into sec square x. Sec square x integration is tan x minus, this will be sin x by cos x into 1 by cos x. So this will be sec x into tan x. Sec x into tan x integration is your only sec x. So from 0 to pi. So now put the value for tan x. Tan pi is 0 minus tan 0 is also 0. For sec pi is minus 1 and sec 0 is 1. So how much it will be? It will be plus 0 here. So twice I will be pi into, this will be your minus 1 because we are writing minus here. Minus sec pi is minus 1. So minus 1 minus plus 1 plus 1. So 2 pi. So how much will be I? I is equal to pi. I is equal to pi. The answer is this integration of 0 to pi x dx by 1 plus sin x is equal to pi. Next 15. 0 to pi by 2 sin x minus cos x. So it is very familiar question. Just use sin pi by 2 minus x. Here minus cos pi by 2 minus x. In the new denominator 1 plus sin pi by 2 minus x into cos pi by 2 minus x. What you are getting? You are getting cos x first, sin x will be negative, and the denominator will remain same. And as usual, same procedure. This is I, add them. Twice I is equal to 0 to pi by 2. Denominator is same, 1 plus sin x into cos x. Add the numerator and what you will get? You are getting a big 0. Are you getting a 0? Yes. So 0. So twice I is 0. So this gives you integral is 0. Question number 17. Question number 17, same property. We'll write 0 to a f x dx is equal to 0 to a f a minus x dx. So 0 to a under root a minus x. Under root a minus x. And guess what? This will becomes under root x. Now add these two. This is I. This is also I. So twice integral is equal to 0 to a. The denominator is same. Only the order is different. One is a plus b, one is b plus a. So under root x plus under root a minus x. What you are getting? You are getting again 1. So this will be 0 to a dx only. This will be cancelled. So twice I is equal to x 0 to a, or twice I is equal to a. What will be I? I is equal to a by 2. So what is the answer of this question? This is a by 2. Next, by using the property of definite integral, evaluate the integral. So I have taken a different sum. This is a board question. So apply the property. So what you will get? You will get 0 to pi minus x into sine pi minus x. Here you will get 1 plus cos square pi minus x. So what is the result? Result will be 0 to pi minus x, and this it will be sine x by 1 plus cos square x. Cos pi minus x is minus cos x, but since it is the square, it will be again you are getting positive. So I'll add these two. Twice I will be how much? 0 to pi x sine x, first one. Now I am getting second one. I am getting pi minus x into sine x, and both have the same denominator. So we will simplify the numerator x sine x plus pi sine x minus x sine x upon 1 plus cos square x. So what will take? I will take x sine x cancel. So I am getting twice I is equal to 0 to pi sine x by 1 plus cos square x. Now how to integrate? I can take cos x as t, then sine x dx will be minus dt. What I'll get? I'll get here cos x is equal to t. So minus sine x dx is equal to dt. Now let us change the limit. X was 0. So t is equal to cos 0, that equal to 1. And about upper limit, it was pi. Then t is equal to cos pi, that would be minus 1. So I am getting your 1 to minus 1. Pi I am taking outside, minus dt by 1 plus t square. So this property again I am applying. To remove the negative, I can do minus pi to 1 dt by t square. What is 1 plus t square? It is tan inverse t. So tan inverse t. From where to where? It will be minus 1 to 1. So what is the answer? It will be pi tan inverse 1 minus tan inverse minus 1. So twice I is equal to pi into tan inverse 1 is pi by 4 minus, it will be minus pi by 4. So this will be pi into pi by 4 plus pi by 4, pi by 2. So or I is equal to pi square by 4. Answer. I hope you enjoyed the video. You can practice some more questions. Thank you for watching, and